Hey everybody, Mrs. Bianchi, we're looking at number 7. A new nature trail is 8/10 miles long. A park ranger divides the trail into 4 equal sections. How long is each section of the trail? Show your work. So let's visualize the trail as 8/10, and we're going to break this up into 4 sections. So here's section number 1, here's section number 2, here's section number 3, and here's section number 4. So we're trying to figure out how much is in each section. So in other words, how long is this little piece from here to here? I'll trace it. How about in yellow? This piece from here to here is how long? Now you should be able to see just by looking here that it's 2/10, but 2/10 is not an option. So we do need to simplify that, but we also need to show our work, right? So that means we need to show the algorithm. Now it is okay to show a number line that would count for work, but it's best to show the number line along with the algorithm just to confirm that you did it correctly. What's the dividend? The dividend is the thing that you're breaking up into equal groups. So in that case, that's 8/10. Let's write that down. And since we're breaking that up into equal groups of 4, we're really dividing that by 4. If we're going to do the algorithm, remember we're thinking to ourselves, keep, change, flip. But before we begin, just want to remind you that anytime you have a whole or a mixed number, you need to turn it into an improper fraction first. So that involves putting a 1 underneath that. All right, but we still haven't done the keep, change, flip. When we do the keep, change, flip, this stays as 8/10. We keep the 8/10. We change this to multiply, and we flip this to its reciprocal. So that means we put the 1 on the top and the 4 on the bottom. All right, and now we look for the opportunity to cross reduce. I see a common factor between the 8 and the 4. 4 goes into that once, 4 goes into that twice, and if we go across, we do get 2 times 1 is 2, and we do get 10 times 1 is 10, and that matches the model. That is the length of this white line, or I'm sorry, yellow line. All right, so the only thing left to do is to simplify this. And how do you simplify it? You divide the numerator and the denominator by the GCF of the two values, which in this case is 2. So the only thing left you have to do is 2 divided by 2, come up with a number, 10 divided by 2, come up with a number, and then you'll pick your answer over here.